I'm with my cousin called. No, okay, get off. And today we're doing a Playdoh challenge, and you got pink and green, and you got light blue, and also purple. My favourite colour. And today we're doing a Playdoh challenge. So the first theme, so all these themes today are going to be Christmas. So ready to start? Yeah, let's go. Wait, let's tell them what we're doing first. Well, I'm doing Santa Claus and you're doing a gingerbread man. No.
What colour?
Snowman. And I'm using light blue. And
put it on the mat.
I'm doing light blue because it's the closest to white. And I'm doing pink for most of my Santa Claus and my... Yeah, because we don't have any red. Because we don't have any red. Or my skin would be blue. And we also have... She's already started here. Hey, you didn't say we had to have a countdown.
I know, there's not really time.
Yeah.
I'm the camera guy, Dib Dab Gamer. Remember to sub down below.
Remember to sub to my channel too.
Yeah, so it'll all be down below.
Remember to sub to my channel.
Liam, move your head a little there.
I'm also shooting all the colours. Yeah. I'm also using pink. Is that your favourite colour? No, there's no ghetto colours. Yes, there is. Purple and pink. No, there's no ghetto colours. It's not covers, sorry. Oops, my child got the wrong way. Here's my Santa hat.
Right, guys, make everything on the mat, okay?
Okay.
Because they won't really see what you're building. Ollie, tell them what you make.
And I'm making Santa Claus hat right now. And for the wee ball, I'm going to choose blue. Sorry for stealing your bluey. Huh? This won't come out. No, it's a room stuff. Start all over again. Then it'll come out. And cause it has to fill up at the very top. That's why. It's not at the very top.
Sorry, guys, the camera messed up.
So this is my Santa hat so far. This is not going to work out. Trim it because there's a little bit of bumps. Hey! Stop stealing my blue. I'm sorry. I need to get for that bubble. What's that? Look at this, guys. Is that the pencil make? And to cut off, you'll need this knife. Okay. No, stop standing half. Oh no! I think the Santa hag again. Because there's too much on it, it's too high. Start over again. So my square's okay. This is for the arms. And then I need the knife. Hey! Stealing it. I'm not. It's mine. And yours. Where's the extra glue? See if that falls. Yep, still going to fall. Maybe got it until here. Yeah, that's perfect. My bubble. Stop falling.
Right, Leah, your snowman doesn't.
Hey!
I know where they cheat.
It's not a real name. Please. I need
It's your nickname on YouTube.
Yeah.
I'll just call you.
Just call me, yeah.
Right. What are you trying to achieve here?
Well, shut up and find
Well,
out.
it kind of looks like a snake. Might be a snowman.
Shut up and watch. She always sees shop and let me sleep when it's not even. Hey! When it's not even. Shut up!
Say that. Say something else about the bed.
Time for Tabby Baby. That's my sister's. She's in the living room. And she's only a baby. Shut up. Oh. And there we go. Timber. So my body has to be nice. Your camera's on the purple.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, there.
Oh.
I fixed it.
My body has to be nice and fat and trimmed. Okay, but how are they supposed to stick on? I don't know. That's the real reason. And then I'm doing
What's
sorry guys, I'm
camera
not
issues?
trying to be a racist, but I'm doing my head green and all my body green. But I'm not trying to be a racist here. Okay. I'm not a racist person. Well, my blogger calls me a racist. And he's the cameraman. Yeah.
Right, your snowman looks better now, Leah.
My Santa Claus. I'm making the body and making the arm stick on. Stick on! You bloody Playdoh.
Ollie, say, you guys will vote who wins. You guys will vote who wins.
You guys are whispering. Where are we second, guys? You're whispering something, but I don't know what.
Say, you're going to vote who's going to win YouTube.
I'm gonna eat chalk.
No, yes. Oh, never mind. Just go.
Sorry, guys. He
Right, I'll
wanted
say.
to talk with his
Right,
brother.
so you guys in YouTube are going to vote who's going to win.
Well, oh yeah. That's our hat. Put down in the comment section below who won.
No, who you
Hashtag-
want to win. And
Yeah.
one tell-
Hashtag Team Leah or hashtag Team Ollie.
Oh. And how much there is going to win.
And whoever wins has to give the loser has to give something to them.
Yeah, and we'll do a video on that.
Yeah. And the next video is going to be and we're gonna check every day. So get your like down. Yeah. And the second video is going to be the vote video. Then the third one's going to be the Roblox video of all these YouTubers. And yeah, with Dib Dab Gamer and with hashtag AKA Reese.
That's my nickname.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's going to be with Baz.
Maybe.
No, only if that's our cousin too. Yeah. And he's a
Right. Let's talk about YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah, job. We don't feel on the carpet. Hey, shut up.
Right, Leah, are you nearly done your snowman?
Yeah,
Look
for
at
the
the
body
lace.
parts. It's just
There's one more bit.
Yeah, the arms.
Are you doing like a top hat or what?
No.
No. Any face or anything? Or just a plain snowman?
Plain snowman.
What's that you're building over there, Ollie?
The big fat body.
Okay.
These are going to be the legs. We'll probably be finished before me. We didn't even say anything. If nothing, wasn't it? Yeah. Nothing important what you have to hear, guys. Because I didn't even hear her.
Ollie, put your face up. Head up.
Up. Come on, now. And my boots. My boots. Hey, I need some pink. Okay. That's good pink.
Pink.
That's all the pink. What's left?
What's the pink's going to be for?
The mouse.
Oh.
And these why did I put that in?
Remember to sub and like to Dib Dab Gamer.
And Dib
Yeah,
Dab Gamer.
turn the snowman over.
No.
I see this. Look at that, guys. Green eyes. Move your hands.
My boot's going to be purple.
Look at that cute snowman. How you doing, Ollie? Going to chat it all together soon?
Oh, wait. Yeah. All my hands are attached together.
Whoops, guys.
Yeah, here's my leg with the boot. Bit. Ah! The boot fell off. And comment down below if you want more Playdoh finals like this. Yeah, and there will be finals with the camera. Yeah. And if you have never seen Dib Dab Gamer before, or go check his channel. Yeah, go and check it with Baz as well. And
Oh,
you don't even know Baz's channel.
all of the channels will be down below.
Yeah, and her. Don't see mine yet, because this is my first video here.
Look at that snowman. Near your head.
Oh.
Turn it about. No, they doesn't see it. It's just in the way.
So, I forgot. My hair's not stuck on yet. That's what these boots are going to do in my head.
If you hear fireworks, it's outside.
Yeah.
Don't know who would put fireworks on today. Should
That's
have.
New Year.
I know. It should have been tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Right, when you're chatting this Santa guy.
Soon, cause right now I'm getting busy with.
Right, guys, we're only going to do one person because it has take quite long. So only one thing. If you want to see a Playdoh challenge again, stop and like.
Yeah, that. And I said comment down below. 10 likes.
10 likes and we'll do 2 likes.
2 likes.
Yeah.
Only
You only have 1 sub, so 2 likes.
I have 1 sub. Who told me when I even done none more when I did and that guy who
videos.
subscribed to him was the cameraman. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's kind of dumb now. See,
What's
because
this?
I didn't done
You
anything.
making?
Nothing.
Oh Jesus, the roller is in the way.
I'm going to roll off to my side. Turn this roll around so I can see. I'm trying to do something here. I'm trying to do my boot. I need some more to help. And this video, no one help each other. Yeah, Mum might do try not to sing.
Challenge, yeah, that would be
Me and her as a stretch was singing.
Guys, build in the middle here.
Why?
Okay, so they can see it because the camera's in the middle. So, okay, so build in the middle.
This is my Santa Claus. Just a sec. If we want to do it secretly, that means we can.
No, move your snowman to there. So you build there.
Hey!
Okay, move up a little, Leah.
You made this fall.
Sorry. Okay, so they're building in the middle.
Yeah.
Just so
Yeah.
you can see.
And if my head changes, it's because I might need some pink for my these are these. sometimes you choose them for extra. Back to the middle we go. Oh, it's a yellow brick road. Oh, a yellow brick road. I can hear you. Papa, yeah.
What's that right there in the middle, Ollie? Looks like a turtle.
What that?
No, the big thing in the
What
middle.
this?
No.
What that?
Yeah, it looks like a turtle.
Yeah. No, it looks like an elephant.
Oh yeah.
And I'm going to get my green. Now it won't look like a turtle anymore. Or an elephant. Because it's going to have hats on and stuff. That actually looks good. But next time you should do 3 buttons.
Look at that hat. Right,
My
guys,
hat is this
you have 5 minutes.
until the video ends.
No, and to make your things.
I need my head much more fatter. Jeez, I'm already done. I was like a skinny head like yours.
Right, show the YouTube world what you've made. Give it a spin.
No. Okay.
Spin
no,
it.
Spin it.
Okay, she's nothing. Oh, there, you nearly finished?
Well, I'm kinda. I'm having
You only
half
have 5 minutes, by the way, so you better chat over that so you have a building.
Okay, I'm gonna use these Play-Doh. And if you don't finish all of it,
Don't worry, it's fake scissors.
see if you don't finish all of it, it's a fail, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, you can still vote for them, it just they probably won't.
Some people feel sorry for them, don't they, Leah? Yeah. Some people feel sorry.
That must be hard to cut. As fuck. 3 minutes.
Oh God. I'm sticking my head
Wait,
off.
4 minutes. Sorry.
Okay, okay, that's enough for me. I thought you were going to say 2 or 1 minute. One little piece of Play-Doh was stuck in my arm.
Ollie, spin it round so we can see it. Ollie, move. No, on the mat.
Oh,
So
and
they just-
Ollie likes
wait.
shotguns.
That was only a joke.
Yeah, I don't actually. Yeah, he hates them. Yeah, just like.
Give your snowman spin, Leah.
I'm not even done.
I know, just spin it round so we can see it.
No,
Leah,
my
your
head.
head.
My head's keep falling off.
3
Oh,
minutes.
geez. Mine's falling off. No, it's not falling off. Don't be sore. Okay, I can't even think of a word.
Don't be so.
Don't be sore on a rampage. Yeah, sometimes.
Oh no.
Ah! Sometimes she goes mental.
You read chats now?
Sometimes she goes mental. What the? We're beautiful. Imagine this of this moment just meeting as it's all over again.
Yes.
I'll be laughing my head.
Leah,
off.
your head is in the way.
Sorry. Yeah, now my head will blow. Sorry,
Let's see.
my head will.
Let's see, Ollie. Ollie, let's see.
Don't make it.
Give it a spin.
Sorry, my head looks like a granny. It does. And for the beard.
2 minutes.
Done. I'm not.
Let's see, Leah. On the mat.
Oh,
No, on the mat and just spin it. Okay, spin it around.
it's gonna blow off.
Oh my god, so good. Okay, so yes.
Ah!
So the oh no, you better catch that. Oh, you did it in time. There's 2 minutes. I'm sure you can make it.
No!
Wait,
I can't.
There's 3 minutes, guys. So sorry. Okay, let's see the Santa. Look at that Santa. Maybe do a few changes, Ollie. Just maybe make it nice and clean. Maybe do eyeballs, Ollie.
Yeah, I did eyeballs already.
Until you, Ollie,
Here's the back.
use this.
Look.
This thing I just wrote.
There.
That look perfect.
Oh, and it's gonna fall off.
Let's see what Ollie's doing. 2 minutes.
And Bad too. Ah! Ah! Stupid snowman.
Oh no, it
Snowman, I
broke.
hate my snowman.
Oh no, it broke. Oh, you better get that face on.
Fail.
1 minute.
Oh God. Oh jeez. Wait, we have to wait till seconds.
No, there's 1 minute.
Oh jeez. Wait, that's how it looks fine now.
The countdown is nearly coming, guys.
I'm done.
No, Leah, do a few changes, just little changes, like maybe add buttons.
At that?
Oh, did you? Maybe just fix it up a little.
Okay, there are buttons. By
I
the
see.
way,
Okay,
these
turn.
are great for buttons.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything. Put your hands off. Hands off.
Oh,
Okay,
I got to make
Leah,
it
let's see your snowman. So tell us about it.
It has a
No, turn the snowman about so we can see the eyes and things. Okay, tell us about it.
It has a scarf.
Oh, a purple scarf. Okay, let's see your Santa.
Has a scarf and a hat. Oh no.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, you can't fix it. Okay, that's the only bit you can fix. Okay,
They're purple.
okay, guys, this is only a one-off.
Yeah.
They only put back, no more changes.
Okay.
Okay, let's see your snowman. Oh,
It's not a snowman.
no Santa. Okay,
It's
only.
not a snowman.
Oh, the head fell off.
No, die.
Okay. Okay, guys. So you know how the Santa looked, yeah?
And here's my head.
Okay, Ollie puts down more.
Here's my head.
Right, guys. So we're going to end the video off here. Remember?
What about the second?
No, we don't have time. Remember, sub and like and vote down below. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Like and sub.